are in Shanghai, China right now. Jackson Wang invited us to his Nike event. Not gonna lie, he gave us special service, bro. My motion out here is little to none, I'm gonna be honest. Prepare for Jason and Win Explores Shanghai, China. I'm about to show y'all what they blessed us with. Come into mi casa. This is the big closet. I haven't even gone through here. I don't even know what this is. I think this is like slippers or something. Fully paid for, by the way. Shout out to Jackson Wang, you know what I mean? You did your thing. This is the big bed. Excuse the mess again, all right? I'm just setting up everything, settling down. Quick little 360. Big room with a TV. Might have to invite the Hez over, or the Ches, the Chinese Hez. Big bathroom, shower. I can overlook the city. View is pretty insane. I'll show y'all in a little bit. Bathroom, I've yet to get in here. When I walked in, I seen this. I wanted to eat it, but I don't know if this is edible. So obviously Jackson Wang is sponsored by Nike, and he's got his event tomorrow. Is this edible? Let's try it out, okay? Nike Air. That's clay. That is pottery. That's pottery. I the shoe. GG's, bro. Welcome to Air Max Day. All right, we got a nice little note here. Dear Jason, a warm welcome to our house. We're so happy to have you with us. Holy L reader. Cute little decoration with some fruits. Let's see if the fruit is real. Definitely real, but really warm. It's hot as shit out here. I'm assuming this is what I'm gonna wear for tomorrow at the Nike event. Little long sleeve vibe or short sleeve. I think this is Jackson Wang's design. It's pretty cool. Light work. No reaction. Chill. Why they give me a double XL though? Is this a kid size? Bro, they gave me a kid size, bro. That's crazy. I mean, whatever. It still fits me, okay? Next up on the gifts, thinking it's a pair of shoes. Yes, definitely a pair of shoes. Boom. Okay, they got me right. These are actually pretty clean, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I will be wearing these tomorrow because I did wear my Asics, okay? But I'm going to a Nike event, so I gotta put these on for tomorrow. I already know what fit I'm gonna put on, bro. These are clean. Thank you, Jackson Wang. This is fire, bro. Last but not least, let's show the view. I can oversee Shanghai. People playing pickleball. I'm about to join them in a little bit. Yeah, though, the city is pretty crazy. We will be doing some exploring today, because I did not know this, but he gave us like a team where we can go sightseeing today. So we're gonna go sightseeing. I think right now we're going to go to dinner. I'm gonna meet up with Jake and Bake. If y'all don't know who that is, the streamer. I'm doing a stream with him and Jackson Wang. So that should be cool. Shanghai so far reminds me of, it kind of does look like London. Buildings are kind of bricky, like it's just hot. I love my boba, I love my milk tea. Apparently this is the most famous brand in China, milk tea, Chaggy. I'm about to try this and be the judge of that. Chaggy, milk tea. Let's see how good it is. Double straw to some Asian ass shit right here, bro. It's pretty good. Fake decent. Cheers. I don't even know where I'm at. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I'm walking touristy. Right now I'm trying to get a shirt that says Shanghai or like a Chinese shirt or something. Okay, I love Shanghai shirt. Just for my stream. Just wanna wear something that represents China. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Yo, this guy just showed the speed and then pointed at him. Oh.
How about this one?
Yeah, I'll get both. Got the shirts. Probably made up with Jake and Bake. Playing out the streams on the 27th. We about to try some authentic Chinese food, all right? Not no Panda Express, some authentic shit. Good, man.
Hey, what's up, man? Yo, what's up, guys? Nice
OG
to meet you.
right here. This Unk.
I'm Unk, baby. Yeah, you can call me Dashu.
Dashu.
Yeah, that means old, like, uncle.
Damn, and you've been out here for...
I mean, I used to live here, so yeah, this trip I'm here 2 months. I've not been here, but this is gonna be some Cantonese food, which is like Southern Chinese food, like Hong Kong style dim sum and stuff like that, I assume. Yeah, I mean, I had really good reviews on the Chinese version of Yelp, so it should be good.
Food's coming in. First one is, I think this is duck or something.
Barbecue pork.
Barbecue pork. Barbecue with cheese?
Yeah, that's the first. The boss is watching.
No, you did your thing. You did your thing. This is good. So this is the shrimp dumpling.
Yeah, hargao.
This remind me of Din Tai Fung. I'm about to try it when it's super hot. Shrimp dumpling. Cheers. That was good. 7.5 out of 10. Pretty good. I have no idea what type of mystery sauce this is, but it tastes like my parents. My parents be making dumplings. It's pretty good. Ooh, broccoli. Ooh, it's green.
That's the presentation.
Ooh, that's very green.
Wait, what's your diet like in the U.S.?
Healthy to a point.
Like gummy bears and grilled cheese, kind of healthy, or?
Like Chipotle healthy.
Okay.
What is this green ball right here?
Roast barbecue pork bun.
Barbecue pork bun?
Yes, with a matcha, actually.
Matcha? That's a crazy combo.
Yeah, they got some fusion stuff going on here. It's a little crazy.
It's a crazy combo. I'm about to try the fish
Yeah.
though. I think this is cod or something.
Yeah, cod with flowers.
With flowers. That's good right there. Chinese cuisine is pretty good. It's way better than Panda Express, and it tastes a little bit healthier. About to try this Beijing burrito.
All that Chipotle talk, man, you gotta bring it to China, I guess.
I think I'm doing it wrong, y'all. I think I'm doing it wrong, but I'm gonna take a bite.
No, he's not eating the paper. Wait, do you have the paper on there?
Oh God, I just ate the paper. You can't.
Sorry.
It's the wrap separated by a paper, and oh, I didn't see the paper.
Yeah, I was like, why does it feel like that?
I swear that was not on purpose.
Okay, let me try this for real. Not gonna lie, it still tasted like there's paper in there. 9 out of 10. Just finished eating. I demolished the food and the rice paper and the actual paper. It was good eats. I'm full. I'm ready to go home and just sleep. We're at a Gentle Monster right now. This shit is mad creepy.
Whoa, looking like Neo right now. Wait, do you know who Neo is?
Yes, I know Neo.
Okay, I don't know, man. Like, you know, a couple generations away from you, so.
Come on, man. I know my shit. Favorite rapper?
Mobb Deep.
I don't even know who that is. Tomorrow, we're going to meet. I'm pretty sure Duke's gonna be there. So we'll meet up with Duke, Jackson Wang. Apparently, he might be doing some crazy shit at the Nike event, but I'll be there with him. We also got that Nike party as well after. I'm gonna go to sleep. I will see y'all tomorrow. Day 2 in Shanghai. You know, I'm kitted out right now. I got my Jackson Wang shirt on. I got my Air Maxes on. I swear to God, he about to aura farm on me, bro, like crazy. I'll do a tour of whatever's inside in a little bit, but now we gotta go to the green room and wait on Jackson Wang and all his friends. I'm pretty sure Duke's gonna be there. I'll be real, only one person has noticed me, gave me a head nod, and the guy was white, bro. I need to hop on Red Note or something, bro. I gotta get my Chinese motion.
What's going on, bro?
Good, chilling.
How's Shanghai?
It's cool. I'm tired, bro.
I'm jet lagged too, bro.
How long you out here till?
Tomorrow I'm out. I'm doing a stream and then I'm out.
I'm out here till like, what, Saturday? Yeah, I'm just recording content and shit.
Are
Appreciate
you doing it 24 hours in Shanghai?
it. Yes, sir.
Yo, they thought Arky was speed.
Morning, they took a picture with me just because I was black. They ain't know who I was. I asked them who I was. They couldn't tell me.
I mean, everyone thought I was Chinese out
I
here.
can see that.
Oh, you can see that.
No, I'm saying like, you know,
Do I look Chinese to you?
nah, but like, I mean, they should know the
Listen,
difference.
they come up to me and they just start speaking Chinese and I hit them with a xie.
That's the only one I know.
Yeah.
And ni hao.
Did you try the Chinese food?
Nah, not yet. Wait, what are you?
I'm Vietnamese, like pho dak viet, bum bơ way, that type of shit.
Right, but you fitting in just fine, though.
I mean, yeah, it's cool.
You fit in like better than me. No, I'm saying you fit right.
Come on, bro.
I need to use the bathroom.
Come on, bro. They think you a rapper out here?
Nah, they just taking pictures with me because I'm black.
Someone came up to Arky and was like, rapper?
Yeah, like literally, he was like, oh, yeah, bro, rapper? Yo, bro, like, rap.
But I feel like they don't mean harm, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
They just never seen
Like,
a
he was,
black
like,
person
happy.
before. Like some people, they look at you as a different species. I'm just saying, that's not racist. That's just the truth.
Species.
See that's crazy. Okay, I would never. I don't see color. We all bleed shit the
Right.
same.
Right. Species is fucking wild though still. Jackson finna come in a helicopter.
I fucking know. You about to farm us crazy.
Crazy as hell.
They doing layups, bro. I'm humming it. I'm doing windmills with his height, bro. Bro, they told me Jackson Wang about to pull up on a goddamn helicopter, bro. The most extra in the world. We better get aura farm to hell.
That's not 10 feet.
Yeah, yo, we gotta play against each other. I will cook you.
That right there?
Yeah.
That's not 10 feet though.
I know it's not, which is why it's like easier. I'm doing windmills in there.
Stop.
They're doing layups.
Stop.
They're doing layups. You see the comp?
I see. Hey, it's heavy out there, man. I'll get out there and do
You
my
don't
best.
look like fucking LeBron out there.
I'll get out there and do my best, man.
Plumbers.
Call them police. Fucked up.
I'm a plumber too though. Did this motherfucker dude just threw a fucking chapstick up in the air and come? So I need to do something to get my aura up, bro. Should I start playing with my necklace maybe? This dude got fans on rooftops. Chinese Michael Jackson, bro. Oh, that's him right there? That little speck of black dot. That's him right there in the air. This motherfucker about to do the most. He's got fans waiting for him, bro. Lined all the way out over here. A Nike helicopter. This dude, he could have pulled up in the car. Nah, I'm in a helicopter today. How much you think that cost? 5-minute helicopter ride?
I pay like 5 bands.
5 bands?
Yeah.
Wait, wait. Lacey, New
Oh,
York helicopter ride was 800
yeah.
bucks. I gotta get my own private helicopter, y'all. Hey, one day, bro. One day.
Yeah, let's go together.
Wait, 88 Rising?
Yeah,
Part of 88 Rising?
yeah, hi brothers, you know that?
Oh shit, you're part of Higher Brothers?
Yeah.
Jason, bro.
Awesome,
Good to
nice
meet
to
you.
meet you.
Are you Korean? See?
Good guess.
Chinese. Everybody thinks I'm Chinese out here, bro.
What are you? Are you Vietnamese?
Vietnamese, bro.
Got
You
on
know
a
he knows
first
his
try.
shit. He
First
knows his
try.
shit. Where my fangirls at, bro?
What's up, my boy?
Yo! What's up, man? How you been, bro?
Good, brother.
Motherfucker got all the cameras following him and shit. It's crazy, bro. Bro, I'm gonna mess my ankle up, bro. I'm gonna fuck my shit up, man. They screaming for me? Bro, I'm just like, man, I'm doing it. I'm doing a backflip. Look at the clip, bro. God damn, bro. It's like all my points. It's different, huh?
This is very different, yeah. I can't count, but it's cool though.
What type of shit is this? Bro, I'm wearing this shit right now.
How many pins you can knock down? And you get like 10K.
10K I'm in, bro.
Among us, 10K.
I'll jump into that bitch right now. I'll go first, bro.
No,
You go first. It's your event. You got next. How I do this? Just run in? I'm gonna just run in like this. How many did I get? 8?
Yeah.
I need my 10, bro. Wait, is it $10,000 or 10,000 yen? God dang, that's like 5.
Fuck it up.
Oh, shit. That was like 7. That was like 7.
Maybe 6.
That was like 6.
Maybe only 5.
That was like 3, bro. Come on, bro. I don't know about my shot, though. I'm about to hit somebody with this shit. Put it away. Hey, there we go. Yeah, I can dunk. Ah, shit! I missed. One more. Oh my God, I'm trash. Put that shit out.
They're doing backflips.
They over there doing backflips. I can't do that segment. Oh, we're playing a game? Yo, what's this team, bro? Hey! Hey, time out, bro. I missed! What happened? He got injured? Stay on guard! We even get 30 seconds of playtime. Come on, check up, bro.
This is my game though, bro.
I know, bro. You gotta see me in like tennis. No, make it. I'm gonna shoot. Hey! I need one, bro. You got no shot, bro. You having fun, bro? You having fun? Nah, just wait. I just need one. Hey. Man, f this sport. This shit weak as fuck.
10K.
10K? Are you f***ing kidding me? Let me win. It's not my sport. I play football. I'm a shooter. Hey! Damn! Ah! I went for it. I ain't gonna lie, this gotta be a mismatch. Hey! That was on my head! Forfeit, man. I forfeit, bro.
Your punishment. Half the team.
Oh, hell no.
Chinese team.
I take a sip, bro.
You lost.
This is my punishment?
Bet it's a bet. He lost.
That's your punishment right now.
Half.
Ah, fuck
Punishment
no.
is a man. Chinese team.
Ah! That shit is not for the weak. Damn, bro, you couldn't go easy on me, bro? I don't need y'all to cut all that out. That's his sport, bro. See me in ping pong, that's my shit.
Was he like professional?
Nah, he's not
Is
professional.
he like G League?
He's just 6'5" and athletic. Lost a couple orb points today, but you know, nothing I can't get back. Don't talking about, dude. You have to cut this whole video. video. I'm gonna be real, bro. Tonight we got the dinner. We're going to the club. Got to experience a Chinese club. We just had dinner. Did not record it because, you know, it's like a dinner vibe. It was cool. Jackson Wang, dude. I met Coco, Verde, Eric Nam. This dude keep making me drink, bro. This man Jackson Wang wants to f me up tomorrow or tonight. He's like, yo, you with me? We going to the club. Apparently this club is like huge, 7 floors just of straight clubbing. I think we about to go meet up with him right now. He just went to his room and then we out, bro. Can't lie, the jet lag is hitting me. I'm already knowing he's gonna try and get me up, but I'm about to do the shot method where like, I gotta be good for tomorrow.
Oh, I learned this one new word for the streaming world.
What?
It's called chat.
Yeah, I be spamming that.
Okay, let me say something.
Yo, chat.
Yo, chat.
Chat rate the fit.
Yo, chat. I feel like as entertainers, we really gotta respect the chat.
100%, bro.
They're the
chat
reason
made
why.
me.
They're the reason why every entertainer is alive.
100%,
We
bro.
gotta show respect to that. And second, I show respect to your chat and feel like they don't give a about who this is. And I'm like, hey, I'm Jackson. Bitch, be like, this guy's cringe as fuck. But hey,
gotta respect it, bro.
I'm just a friend. Hey, I love it so much because a lot of times the chat don't know who's filming this shit.
Oh, the chat knows Arky.
Hey,
The chat knows Arky.
we should have one episode just shooting him. The f you do all day.
He streams too.
Oh shit. But you never fence. So tomorrow we gonna fence. Can you let him fence too?
Yeah. We rotate.
Can you let him fence?
Hell yeah. And I
So
need that
when we
foot
fence,
massage.
it's
And
gonna be.
I need that foot massage
But
too.
the thing is, when we go fence, it's gonna be China versus America.
Yo,
though.
I'm about to-
Hey, I'm gonna murder you.
I'm gonna
bro.
murder you, bro. It's my first time. I'm gonna still do you crazy.
Murder you with one arm.
I'm gonna
Bro,
hit you with the Matrix.
I feel like a lot of your chat never came to Asia.
I've been to Japan.
They always have that stereotype of China. That, bro, is amazing. That's what I'm saying. It's
I'll
beautiful.
fuck with-
It's
I'll
the
fuck with
beauty.
China.
No, listen, you with it, but your chat maybe not. So
Why not?
Invite them. Let's create a campaign and get 10,000 people come, and we gonna fund that and be like, hey, just one ticket, just come. Just come to Shanghai.
Who's funding 10,000?
Me, I'll fund that.
Hey, he got y'all, y'all. He got y'all.
Hey.
Me, I'll be on the
Cause
sideline.
I'm sick of saying like, hey, oh, in China, but you, man, because you never been. China is the greatest enjoyable lifestyle place to chill.
I've been
It's
loving
easy.
China right now. Shanghai been cool.
'Cause
I got some new jewelry.
I'm sick of that media bullshit.
What
you
the
feel me?
media saying?
They're not doing good. They're not doing good. I don't like that.
I've been hearing
Yo,
good
bro,
things about China recently.
Say less. If you come in Shanghai, it's chill as fuck. And it's taste.
You heard him,
Is-
y'all. Hey,
it-
10,000 of y'all getting flown out by Jackson.
Bro,
Wang.
trust me. Come in, enjoy everything. Food, nightlife, people.
People been nice.
Every Chinese is welcoming.
I'm excited to stream tomorrow. and
Every
see-
Chinese is welcoming.
I'm
just
excited.
like every Chinese is just like, hey, how
Yeah,
you doing?
yeah,
like
yeah.
Just you know, hugging you
I'm
and
ready.
like
Tomorrow I'm gonna explore Shanghai before
I'm
we
sick
meet
of
up.
say bullshit like that, man.
What they
hey,
said?
Hey, whoever say that shit, yourself, man. You're losers, bro. Cause you listen to the bullshit. Cause you never travel. You don't have the price to pay for a ticket, bro.
Damn!
Fuck off.
Yo, chill,
Bro.
chill,
Hey,
chill.
But the thing is,
calm,
hey,
calm,
hey,
calm.
hey,
Calm,
no,
bro.
but I'm saying, I'm sick of racism. I'm sick of, but hey, racism, bro. But listen, I'm sick of racism.
Of course, bro. Who's not?
Yeah, but people don't know because they don't know shit. I'm sick. I'm not to your chat. I'm not talking to the chat. I'm talking to media. Articles that pivoted the wave
Were they
for
painted bad light to China?
that pitted the wave of media and influence of the entire bubble. You're a Asian too. Imagine say some shit about Vietnam.
Oh yeah, then I'm gonna start tweaking.
Exactly.
But
What
me-
is it gonna feel like for me? I don't care about anybody. Only on your chat, 10,000.
Hey, looks like we doing it.
Only if they're willing.
10,000 of y'all getting flown out by Jackson Wang. Just like, comment, and subscribe.
And come and feel like, oh, hey, rest of it, I leave it to them. Bro, we have so many people. We have different categories. There's always, even in music, there's some niche markets. But not everyone listen to that.
Yeah.
10,000 tickets. But 100K?
Probably more.
Is it around 200K?
Yeah.
I'll do it for your chat. Just for fuckers that's willing to be like, hey, maybe I'll go one time and feel it myself and go everywhere myself. No streaming, whatever. I go to restaurants, I go beside the ocean, go to the club, have a drink, meet some new friends. I don't even want to explain anymore. Just come.
10,000, y'all. Y'all heard it here first.
I'll hit it. 200K. I swear to God.
He shake it.
My
Shake
life.
it.
my life. Easy. No marketing. Just for your fans. All right, yo, cut the chat because they're sick of me, man. They don't give a all these like,
This is not even live. This is just for YouTube.
all these guys that's watching me typing and be like, whack as Asian.
Who's saying that? No one's saying that, bro.
I guarantee you,
No one's
everyone's
saying
saying that.
that. They're
They don't
like,
give a about me. They're like, "Huh, who the is this Jackie Chan, Bruce Lee shit? I don't think any of your chat knows my existence
That's cap.
as a human. If any for your real fans in your chat knows, oh, this is Jackson Wang.
What?
Suck my dick.
Yo, this too stupid, bro. What the fuck? Oh no, they love this guy, bro. That's crazy. They waiting for you?
Jackson Sensei.
That's his
Jackson Sensei.
motion sickness. Motion sickness. His motion is different. Hey, we gotta do this shit at Seaside, bro. I need to do another concert, bro.
The night is about to start.
That's why I needed a nap.
That was the intro.
You took a nap?
Yep.
Oh, I needed a nap.
I'm ready though.
I'm doing a wrist section. Are y'all from Shanghai?
Yeah,
Y'all speak really good English.
thank you.
Everyone here mostly speak English?
No.
Oh, get this shit! Get it! Get that! Go ahead, bro! Why you doing that?
Listen, we got Duke Dennis in the town. We got Jason the Weed.
Yo! Damn,
We got Eric.
What the fuck? What the fuck? This motherfucker crazy,
We're gonna change the whole universe of the club. It's second floor. We
Sound good.
experienced the first floor.
What's on the second floor?
Second floor is a different spot, and third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, different.
All of it's different.
EDM, jazz, pop.
What's the hip hop number? What floor
This
is it?
shit is nothing.
Nah, you having a good time.
Nah, he loving it.
Because you know what? You guys not drinking at all.
Who's not drinking?
Bro, we drinking, bro. You just drinking more than us.
How can you be proud of American that we can't have the tolerance?
I'm Asian. Listen.
How old you
Okay,
turning?
go.
How old you turning?
31.
God damn.
Welcome.
Oh yeah, you're older than me. He's older than me.
Welcome, bro.
Well, this guy. What year are you born?
04, bro.
Oh, 4. No, that's come. That's come.
Excuse me?
That's come because that's like younger brother. When I have a younger cousin, I call them come.
You call your younger cousin cum?
In my mind,
Oh.
I'm like, yeah, it's cum shit. I'm being like Duke in the twerk shit.
No.
Hey!
He told
I
me an AI video, bro. That's
Oh, that's
He
crazy.
told me an AI
You
video.
did that. You did that.
I ain't gonna lie, that's wild.
That
I
wasn't-
swear to God, you did
That
that.
wasn't fucking
I
AI.
swear to my
AI.
mom and Jesus, you did that.
Oh, Jesus is crazy.
I want to confirm, did you do or not?
No, that was AI.
No way. But it looked like you. You were just teaching people how to
Stop doing that.
I thought. The reason why we all exist.
Gotta
is
show
because
love,
of the
man.
chat.
Hey, Chad, shut the fuck up.
Can I say that too?
You can't tell my chat to shut up.
But can I tell the space to shut the fuck
Yeah,
up?
you can do it over that way. Not
Can
my
I say
chat.
that to your chat too?
Nah.
Yeah, bro.
Tell it to the universe. Tell it to the universe.
Universe.
Hey,
Tell it to the universe.
hey, chat. Jackson Wang, not to you guys. Space. Shut the fuck up, man. Rolling Loud is only owned by this guy.
I thought it was the white dude
On
in
top of that- on
Asia.
top of that is him.
Ah, so he.
That's how we Asian roll. Hey, don't forget where you're from, brother. Let's go. Hey. Jason, let's go. Love you. Another floor.
Another floor.
You've been to the second floor. Now it's the next floor. This is China. Hey man, this is the culture I want to show you guys and have fun. I want you guys, my objective is have fun. Have a good time. Have a good
cool,
time.
man.
Have a good time.
Every floor is a new club.
It's a new club right now.
That's wild.
Now
When we open, it's only hip hop.
Shut the fuck up! Steve Dennison is in town! Jason the Weed in town!
Are you feeling it?
I'm feeling this shit. I'm feeling
Come on, dude! One sec.
Hey, make some noise for Jackson!
Yeah, that shit hectic, bro. Went through 3 clubs, bro. Y'all know I'm not a clubbing type, but bro, Jackson boring. Like, he want me to drink like shit, man. I gotta stream early tomorrow. Oh,
Just relax,
shit.
just relax. Just put your hands right here. Whenever you in Asia, I'm your homie. You're Asian, but at the same time, when you ever in Asia, I'm your homie.
You been to Asia before, or is this first time? First time. Great event. It was cool. Motherfucker was dragging me out. It's like the drunk uncle, bro. But it was mad fun. China, 10 out of 10. Great event. Had mad fun. Nike event. I need that Nike sponsor now. Yeah. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the vlog. Hit the likes, comment, subscribe. I'm out this motherfucker. Peace.